Have you guys ever been to Subway? Well, today I'm here to show you how to make a Subway sub. I bet most of you had a Subway sandwich in the last year or so, and maybe you've seen me at Subway. I've worked there for a little over a year. Making subs is something I do almost daily. The purpose of this speech today is that hopefully you can learn how to make a Subway sandwich like us so-called sandwich artists do. Alright, so first, you're gonna, usually you use gloves because you're doing it for other people, but today I'm not going to be using gloves. And the first thing is you'll get the deli paper and ask them what kind of bread. Today I brought Italian urban cheese because I think that's the best kind of bread. And you'll start by cutting the bread. You put it in one end like this, about in the middle. And then everyone does this different. Sometimes people will just go like this along the whole way, but I like to turn it this way. And you just do short little cuts. Up the bread, and then next you put on the meats, and I'm going to be making Italian BMT that consists of pepperoni, salami, and ham. So first you start off by putting 6 pepperoni on there. And for a 6-inch, it would have been 3. And then you put the salami on there. And then next is the ham. And that would be 4 pieces of ham. For a 6-inch, it'd be 2. And then after that, you usually use cheese, but I did not bring cheese today. And then next, your choice can be either if you want it toasted or if you don't want it toasted, but obviously I'm not going to bring in a toaster because they're heavy and expensive. And then next would be veggies, and the rule is technically that you put 6 of each veggie, but a lot of people would not be happy with that because I don't think people really want 6 green peppers. So I brought onions, green peppers, tomatoes, and lettuce. So I'll start by putting on the tomatoes, and I'm just going to do 4 tomatoes. And then sometimes if people ask for more, you just put so instead of 4 it'd be 6 for tomato wise, and then I'll do green peppers. And usually you put a little more than that many, but I didn't want to fill it up. And then next I'll do the onions. And then I'll do the lettuce. And the amount of lettuce, how you know how much to put on is it's usually a good handful for each side. Alright, and then you can pick sauces. We have probably about 10 sauces that you can use. But for a BMT, I guess for most sandwiches, the most common is mayo, ranch, but I'm not going to put any sauce on. And then there's many tactics for closing the sandwich. So sometimes you just use a knife and shove everything down, and then that's easier to close. But it's not going to be hard to close since there's not a lot of veggies. So you just grab from the bottom and go up, close it like that. That's what it looks like. And then for sandwiches, if it's full on, you always cut it in half just because you don't want to eat it like this. So you just put your fingers right here and cut through the middle. And there it is. And next I'll be teaching you how to wrap. This is one of for some people this is either something that's really easy or really hard for you to do, and people do this different also. So you just put it right here, wrap it once, fold over the left side, go forward one more time, wrap it over again, and finish. And then that's how you wrap it. And then you just put it in a bag and give it to them. If you have 2 or more subs, usually you'll use a bag like this. Yeah. The purpose of this speech today is so hopefully you guys learned how to make a Subway sandwich like a so-called sandwich artist do. And thank you for watching this speech, listening to the speech.